Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 using a flash drive. Before we start, make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more content. Let's download Windows 11 ISO. You can find all the links in the description. Select Windows 11. Then select your language and click the Confirm button. I will choose English. You will receive a link to download the ISO file. The link is valid for 24 hours. Press the 64-bit download button. I've already downloaded, so I will cancel. Now, we need to download Rufus in order to burn the ISO file to the flash drive. The last thing we need to download is a DLL file in order to fix an error during the installation. After you download, extract the zip file. Connect your USB flash drive first, then run Rufus. It will recognize your USB flash drive automatically. Click the Select button in order to choose the Windows 11 ISO file we have downloaded earlier. Change the partition scheme to MBR. An important notice: after you click the Start button, Rufus will format your flash drive, so if you have important files, make sure to back them up first before you continue. Once you hit the Start button, the process should take between 10 to 15 minutes. The process is done. Now we have created a bootable flash drive. But we need to replace the DLL file we have downloaded earlier. Navigate to your flash drive folder and then click the source folder. Copy the DLL file and paste it inside the source folder. The system will ask you if you want to replace the file. Click it. Now the creation of a bootable Windows 11 is done. The next step is to restart your computer and boot from your USB flash drive. After you selected to boot from the USB flash drive, press any key to boot and start the installation. Wait for it to start. You can choose your language and time settings. I will keep it as the default and press Next. Click the Install Now button. I will click I don't have a product key because I don't have one, but if you are looking for a cheap Windows 11 license, you can find a link to it in the description with 10% discount coupon and receive it immediately. I will choose Windows 11 Pro, but you can choose the one that matches your needs. Click the Custom Install. Now you will need to select the partition you want to install the Windows 11 on. It will format the partition. The installation should take around 10 to 15 minutes. It's gonna take a minute or two because it's the first time. We have successfully installed Windows 11. Now it's time for setting up the settings. Choose your country or region and click Yes. Choose your keyboard layout and click Yes. You can skip this step. If you want to give your machine a name in your network, otherwise you can skip it. Now select the type of your computer. I select for personal use. If you have a Microsoft account, you can sign in. If you don't want to link any account, press the Sign In options. Select Offline Account and skip. Enter the username. Now enter a password or keep it blank if you don't want any password. I recommend to disable all these settings. After you click Accept, it's gonna take couple of minutes until the system is getting started for the first time. This is it guys, now you have Windows 11 installed. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content.